guess.
Hi everybody, I'm Paul and here's Tina from Travel into Paradise Cruiser. We thought we'd cover a couple things today in this video and maybe you'll understand a little more of where the channel is going and what it's all about, since we've never actually done one. And I will say that my first videos that are out there were really a lot of shakiness, but you got to learn, right? You got to learn. So we're going to cover in this video. We're going to cover, what are we going to cover?
Some
Tina?
of our tentative plans for the upcoming year.
And they are.
Well, we got our miniature rally this week in Cape Canaveral. We're going to go down there for a couple days.
Yeah, we're going to go down and meet up with Robert Polk. He was, we had a rally company and we closed the rally company down, and he is one of our original attendees. And our rally, we were hosting for Traveling Robert in San Antonio. So another of our attendees is also going to be in the general area of where we are. And
he may show up.
He may show up. We don't know.
So anyway, the next month.
And then, well, let's see. I wanted to cover a couple other things first. That was this weekend. We're leaving. We're going out for this weekend, and then we're coming back. We got some new ideas for stickers. That was the other thing. I wanted to say thank you to all the people that sent us stickers, and that we're going to come up. We've designed our sticker. We just have to get it down to the printer. Let's see. We need. We found out from looking at the roof. We have a TPO roof on our motorhome, and our motorhome is only a 2007. It only has 33,000 miles, but it was in the sun, and the TPO is bubbled, and we've had a couple leaks. And Robbins was able to fix them both times, but we're looking into a new roof because this is going to be an ongoing process with the roof and the TPO, because I can see that the TPO is already separating from the plywood underneath of it. So we're going to a place called Armor Tech, or I can't think of the name of it. I don't have my phone up here.
It's in Louisiana.
Well, anyway, it's in Louisiana, Gray, Louisiana, and we're going to have a permanent roof put on. It's guaranteed for life. And it's they charge about $165 a foot, as close as I can tell. And then extra stuff that they do along the lines is they replace the plywood. They remove the existing roof and they rebuild your roof, and then they put their new one-piece roof on, and it truly is one piece. There's another company out there that's got some flashing to go over all the openings that you can buy. I guess they also do the applications, but I haven't been able to find any information on them yet. So $165 a foot, and then extra is the skylights and any vent covers that you want them to replace. They do all that. Okay, so that covers that. So Tina's going to talk about our destinations. I just want to get those few things out there.
That's going to be the beginning of our 3 months out, whenever we get to do that, which we think is going to be beginning of April. We think we're going to be
April.
From there on, we're going to go to a few places. We're going to head west again, because there's just so much out there to see. We're going to go to Canton First Trade Days, which
I don't know if anybody's ever seen this is one of the largest in the United States, and it's only once a month, and it's more than just a day or two. It's like a whole week, right?
It's like 4 days.
It's like 4 days long, and it's
Monday of every month.
First Monday, yeah. And we went through there on the way back, and I couldn't believe how big this place was. You have to reserve well in advance to get a camping spot, and but I'd say there's 20 acres of stuff out there, and this isn't new.
It's huge.
This isn't new Chinese junk. There is a lot of stuff out there, but if you go on and look at YouTube, we're going to do a YouTube video from out there probably. But that's one of the largest in the United States. That's the Canton Trade Days.
And direction. We might go down towards Houston after that, or we might go up north. We're not sure, but we're going to head for Big Bend. We really want to see Big Bend National Park. We're going to spend a few days there. And then on to Arizona. New Mexico. We're going to hit a couple places in New Mexico, small places, maybe the White Sands National Monument. And
we're going to be doing reviews of the campgrounds along the way.
Then we're going to head on over to, we're going to hit Tombstone, Bisbee. Then we're going to head on over to Tucson, Saguaro National Park, and up towards north of Tombstone, visit some relatives up there, Paul's relatives. Then we're going to go on up towards Las Vegas, and
I don't know if we'll be doing a Strip. Most likely we'll probably spend maybe a week in the Vegas area, because we're going to want to see Death Valley while we're there, and Pahrump while we're there, Valley of Fire, Hoover Dam. Since we tow the car, we can pretty much go anywhere. You know, we're talking about staying in Death Valley one day. We'll have to see what the weather's all about, because got the Bill Dog, and I understand that the air conditioners don't work too good when they're under a lot of heat.
Yeah, we may have to. We'll see. But anyway, that's the trip out, and we'll see how much time we have left to get back.
That takes us up to where?
Vegas.
Phoenix? Well, that takes us out to California, to Death Valley.
To Death Valley.
Move the calendar over a little bit.
Oh, we missed Coachmen. We want to
we want to see Coachmen. Got to see the donkeys. That's over there by Kingman, Arizona. Tina has not seen the Colorado River proper, so we'll probably go down on the Colorado there at Kingman. And we're going to stop in Quartzsite. Got to stop in Quartzsite. Of course, everything will be all done by the time we go through there, just like it was the last time. I lived, of course, in Las Vegas for 9 years, and it definitely doesn't look the same as it did when I lived there. But I want to go and see the Kingdom. What did I call that? It's the Jehovah's Witness. It's their big tabernacle there in Las Vegas. We lived right behind it, and I was gonna take Tina and show it to her. What else?
That's it. We don't know how we're coming back yet, because depending on what
We
what
may go
month it
further.
is, we might head up north, because I'm not going through Oklahoma and Kansas during tornado season. That's just my rule.
Twister Buster Senders.
I just don't want to do it. I don't want to be worried about bugging out.
So
in the middle of the night.
let's see. We're having 2 new tires put on the car today. Bridgestones. No, excuse me. Unirails. These are tiger paws. They're going on the car. We currently have Pirellis, and they're a little too noisy for me. We're good for tires on the motorhome. We put the tread wells on those. Let's see, the oil's been changed, filters, everything's been serviced. We're ready to go. 2 days is just a 60-mile one way and back. But I'll try to do a little video from down there, and we're going to meet up with Robert Polk, and we're going to do the Kennedy Space Center, and we're probably going to do, there's another little museum close by that's miniature of the Space Center. Is there anything else you wanted to say?
No.
Let's see.
I'm ready to pack.
We're also going to review any military bases. I hope my videos to be getting better. It's a little harder to get used to standing in front of the camera, but that seems to make the best video, and stuff with not a lot of cuts in it. So I'm going to end this video right here and upload it without any editing at all. So I'm Paul, and this is Tina from
Paradise Cruiser.
Travel on the Paradise Cruiser, and we'll talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like our videos.
Bye.
Bye.